Alright, my wife sent me this recipe this lady had done on the Blackstone. So we've got red and yellow pepper and Hormel chili. We've got hamburger. We've got spaghetti noodles and spaghetti sauce. And we're all going to put this on the Blackstone. Let's see how it turns out. Just like that, that's what she did. Alright. Hamburger here. Can't make the hamburger open. I need a third hand. Alright, we're starting it here. Let's see what happens. Current progress. Everything's cooking up. It's bubbling there. We got some burger cooking. It's going to be hot to touch, so let's see if I can grab that can or not. It might be too hot. Alright, we got the meat all cooked up. The peppers have cooked down a bit. Let's see if we can touch that can. Hey, we can. Alright, look at that. Whoa, woo, look at that sound. Sounds good. Alright, we're going to grab the spaghetti. Ow, that's pretty hot. Got the spaghetti in there. And spaghetti sauce. Alright. All that cooking, we're going to mash her all together and see how she turns out. Alright. Smells really good.